YouTube, what's going on? Chris here again with another video. For today, we're going to be focused on the Tesla like the title of the video says. And a nice exciting one is we're going to go ahead and install some canards on the front of our Tesla Model 3 Performance. Now, pretty stoked about that, but before we do that, we really just want to make sure the vehicle is clean. So let's go ahead and wash this up, and then we'll throw this carbon fiber piece on, see how it looks. But like I said, I am pretty freaking stoked about it. Now this carbon fiber piece is from Unplugged Performance. This is a matte black carbon fiber, and yes, this is real carbon fiber. Looks like it just gets installed with some 3M double-sided tape. Now for reference, let's go ahead and show you guys the back end. This is also a matte carbon fiber, and there you can kind of see pretty freaking similar. So I'm excited to go ahead and get this on the car. I will say shipping was pretty fast. I got this delivered within a week. This is how it came packaged. Double foam, nice protective sleeve here. I just like showing you guys that way you can see how they care for their products. And here is the other side of the Canards. I believe this is the right hand side one. Yep, or sorry, left hand side. But here is one last look before we go ahead and wash the car, and without Canards on. Now they sell a full kit for the lip extensions, all that stuff, but these are pretty pricey, so I'm going to do it bit by bit. But first things first, we do have to get the car nice and clean. That way everything adheres, so we're not having pieces fall off on the road. Trusty chemical, guys. Okay, now that the car is officially nice and clean, that is very important because it's all about surface prep on how long these are going to be able to adhere to your car. The cleaner your surfaces, the better the tape is going to adhere over time. So I got all the debris off that I possibly could. One of the things I do regret about the car is not getting it PPF'd right away, so there are some rock chips on here. Little blemishes that you can't see from afar, but as the owner, I can definitely know where they are. But yeah, once again, here is the carbon fiber. This is the satin or matte finish, just to go ahead and match the rest of the car, since it already has the satin matte finish carbon fiber spoiler back there. So here it is for a quick reference, right? So there is a little cutout right here, and it's just gonna sneak right in here to your little aero dam, and you're gonna go ahead and follow the best body line that you can. And like I said, there's going to be future parts of carbon coming down here as well to finish off with the lip, so it's all going to tie in over time. But right now, that's going to look pretty sick as it is. Alright, so let's go ahead and take off this 3M tape and throw it on a car. So again, this little cutout right here is going to go right there in the corner of that dam. The driver's side is now officially on. Let's see a little comparison from the front. Oh, that gives it a lot more of an aggressive look so far. More 3D looking. And the fitment is pretty good. No big gaps or anything. Here's from the side. Yeah, that looks pretty freaking clean. That's a pretty good fit right there. Can't wait to get the other pieces eventually. Gotta save up some money. So that compared to this, what are you guys thinking so far? Here is from a distance. Oh yeah, that's pretty sick. Like I said, can't wait to get the other pieces. So let's go ahead and throw on the passenger side and wrap this video up. Alright, here officially is the car with both canards on. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty freaking badass. Fitment is pretty good. Here is the passenger side. 3D look. Here's from the top. Definitely more aggressive. Like I said, looks a little bit unfinished right now. And that's mainly because I need the other pieces to go along. But rest assured that will be coming in some time. Alright, so that's going to wrap up today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave a comment down below. If you found this video helpful or engaging, leave a big thumbs up. Lets me know you guys care. And other than that, I will also link this down in the description box down below. Again, this is the Unplugged Performance Model 3 Canard kit. So they also have the full aero version, but I will be buying those piece by piece because they are quite expensive. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave that comment down below. And until next time, never live your life on idle, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.